So, are you thinking about getting a dog? Well, this is my step-to-step guide to dog ownership. My name's Anne-Marie Pearman. So step one, get a rescue. My dog Molly is a rescue. She was part of a litter of dogs that were brought into the country illegally, and she's a Dachshund. I'll show you her in a minute. Step two, in my case, I got a call from the Dogs Trust. I had applied for a small dog and thinking of a terrier, and they rang me up to ask if I'd want a Dachshund, and I didn't do any research about Dachshunds until I got her. I mean, I love her to bits and I wouldn't be here without her, but I have found out that Dachshunds are one of the most destructive breeds and also one of the hardest to toilet train. Another good thing about getting a rescue dog is it's a lot cheaper. Dachshunds generally go for, especially puppies, between £1,500 and £3,000, and I got her for £100. Also got £75 off getting her neutered. All the vaccinations and boosters for her initially were all included, and you get a pack with, well, in my case the Dogs Trust, telling you everything you need to know. They send you an induction video, and also they do training for dogs because of COVID. There used to be a training class near me and they stopped that, so I was sort of holding off hoping they'd reopen it. They haven't. So I'm starting her off in October. She's just over 1 year old now as an adolescent. But another thing with the Dogs Trust is you get £10 off the full price. So normally it would be £65 for a 4-week training course, and I'm paying £55. So it is definitely worth going via a dog's home if you can. If you're not that fussy about the breed, I definitely recommend it. And also ethically, I think it's probably better to go through a dog's home. Okay, bye.